Hi, I'm Michaela and I'm an undergraduate marketing student at Boston College.
I'm Maria and I'm studying pharmaceutical sciences at The Ohio State University.
My name is Cecilia. I'm a graphic designer and a visual communicator at UADE, the business school in Buenos Aires.
Hi, my name is Matthew and I'm currently working towards my master's in trumpet performance at Southern Methodist University.
Hi, I'm Lacey and I'm a master's student studying nutrition and dietetics at Eastern Illinois University.
This summer, I'm here to create marketing content for ASEF to promote the organization in its unique fellowship.
I'm working on a branding identity project in Zemanta, a data science company in Ljubljana, and I'm really happy to utilize my knowledge in such a great company.
I've been interning at Lenis Pharmaceutica. I've had the opportunity to work with highly qualified professionals and learn a lot about finance and pharmacovigilance.
Here in Slovenia, I've been able to expand my knowledge through the work at the biotechnical faculty at the University of Ljubljana. The technology we have been using to practice this area of food science and research leaves me with unlimited opportunities.
When I arrived here in Slovenia, the professors at the Ljubljana Academy of Music and trumpet players in the Slovenian Philharmonic immediately helped me get involved with the music scene here in Ljubljana.
So far, my experience has been nothing short of incredible.
In other cities, I feel like a tourist, but here I feel more like someone visiting a friend.
Slovenia also has a really special meaning to me. My 4 grandparents are from here.
I am inspired to learn more about my heritage and connect with other Slovenian Americans who share in the love of this country.
Getting to reconnect with my Slovenian family while building my career in music has made this one of the greatest summers of my life.
ASEF gave me that opportunity and I will forever be grateful.